Words cannot describe how happy I am today.
Anderson!
Got knocked the fuck out. And for everybody that's saying this fight is fixed, suck on my fixed left nut. Ain't no way in hell you can fake a knockout like that. Let's watch that clip one more time so you guys can see that that was a legit knockout. You convinced yet? No? Let's watch it one more time in slow-mo. That nigga got knocked the fuck out. Ah, nigga, you lost. Nigga, you lost. You tried to be cocky as hell, got knocked out, and lost your belt. Anyways, there's not really anything I can really say about this fight because, I was very pleased with the outcome. The reason why I'm glad that Silva lost is because, personally, I think that it is time that the middleweight division had a new champion. I mean, watching the same fighter who's been champion for the past almost 7 years, I mean, that gets boring, But now that Chris Weidman is champion, there's only one real question that's going to be going around. Who's going to defeat Weidman and take the middleweight title from him? Leave a comment on who you think will defeat Weidman and take the middleweight title from him. But anyways, I appreciate everybody that watched this video. If you enjoyed this video, please hit that thumbs up button, give it a like, make sure you share the video around, send it to your friends, put it on Facebook, Twitter, send it around to everybody. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I try to post videos every week, almost every day, if not every other day, whenever I have time. So make sure you subscribe, keep up with everything I post, music, comedy videos, skits, everything like that. Just make sure you guys subscribe to my channel. With that being said, Lil J Teasy, I'm out of here. Oh yeah, one more thing. Before you guys go, make sure you click on this annotation that I'm about to post up. It's a RIP remix done by my homeboy. I graduated with this cat. We call himself Concentrate. He's a Sacramento rapper just like I am. Make sure you check that video out, like his video, share it, and make sure you subscribe to his channel.
1, 2, lunchtime. 3, 4, crunch time. Lyrics that I spent to make rain turn to sunshine. Hit him with the punchline, catch him on the blind side. Escalated and why make the day turn to nighttime. 1, 2, lunchtime. 3, 4, crunch time. Lyrics that I spent to make rain turn to sunshine. Hit him with the punchline, catch him on the blind side. Escalated and why make the day turn to nighttime.